Have you ever truly wondered why certain things in your life keep repeating themselves over and over again, as if you are stuck in an endless loop? That's no coincidence. These are underlying patterns working in the background. I'll show you how to identify and effectively break them in a clear step-by-step manner and without any prior knowledge. This is a comprehensive and compact quick start guide taken from my complete course on ancient astrology. You can start with it right away and achieve your first results, even without taking the entire course. This is part 1 of 3. You'll find the next parts below the video. The very first step is to generate your own personal, individual birth chart, and that's also the essential foundation for everything we do throughout this course. Using the specific link you'll find located below in the video description under Step 1, you can easily click through to the website. And now I'll show you exactly where you need to click on the screen so that you'll have your own chart right in front of you in just a few minutes. If you're currently watching the video in English, you can simply leave the language settings exactly as they are, since it is set to English by default. The steps are exactly the same as in all other languages. In our example here, we're going to select German as the language. After that, go to the top right and click on the Mein Astro icon, then select Login. Simply scroll down to set up your own personal free user profile. Next, you'll see the data privacy information. Please accept these terms if you are in agreement with them, and then proceed to input your specific user details right here. After that, click on Next. Now you've created your user profile and then click on Add New Astro Data. And here you will now enter your personal birth information. To complete this step, you will need your exact birth time in addition to your birthday. However, if you don't know it exactly, just enter an estimated time. Then click on Next, and under Saved Astro Data, you'll find your personal birth chart. Click on it. After that, click on the Advanced Graphic selection. Then go ahead and click right here on the tab labeled Options for Zodiac and Houses, and choose the option for Whole Sign Houses from the menu here, then click on Show Drawing. Now your personal individual birth chart will appear right here on the screen, and please take a moment to save this file directly onto your personal device now. Your horoscope is now successfully saved on your device as a standard image file, specifically as a PNG file. But for the purposes of this course, you will actually need it as a PDF file so that the horoscope can be printed out correctly for your use. Because for the work in the course, you will be working with a printed horoscope. And that's important because here we are not just working with our minds, but we are intentionally bringing the learning process into the body. Because from this point on, astrology is not just something you understand intellectually, but something you actually experience firsthand. If your device, for example, your smartphone or your iPhone, can easily convert it to PDF, then that's great. Go ahead and do that. Otherwise, you can also do it very easily with an online PDF converter. It's exactly 3 clicks: upload, convert, download. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you now. And once again, it is currently set to English. However, if you prefer German, then simply click on the option for German, just like we are doing here. Now, click on Choose and select the specific horoscope that you previously saved. And after that, you just need to click on Download. Alright, so let's move on to step 2 now. For the next step, you'll need your astro set. You'll find the link below the video. You can start right away with the basic set or work even more in depth with the extended set. Just choose whichever one suits you best. Once you have it, we'll continue together from here. In the next step, you'll prepare your working materials. To get started with this process, you should first download the Astro Detector tool, the meanings reference sheet, the daily tracking calendar, and the moon phase calendar, and then proceed to print them all out so you have them ready. These printouts are an essential part of the method because in this course we deliberately work physically with our bodies. The reason for this is quite simple. Genuine, deep learning, real change, and true inner reorganization don't just happen inside your head. Your body has to be involved because only then can the knowledge truly take root and be internalized. And that's exactly why printing out the materials isn't just an optional extra here, but a central part of the work. Arrange your materials so that you have them easily at hand because this will be your personal workspace for the steps ahead. And if you don't have a printer at home, you can also print them out at a copy shop or at the office. The important thing is that you have the printouts physically in front of you. A truly central tool in this course is the Astro Detector. It was developed specifically for this work and is protected by a patent. What's special about it is that you work directly with it on the horoscope. You cut out the Astro Detector and place it on your horoscope. That way, you can get started right away. The most important step is your individual moon code, because with it, we identify your core emotional patterns. You'll find the exact instructions for this in the next video. Take your time with it, because this is the most important part. Because after this video, you will gain a real, well-founded, scientific understanding of your emotional patterns. Moving forward from there, in the third part, I am going to demonstrate exactly how to determine the specific date and time, meaning when your individual moon code is active and truly perceptible to you, so that your core emotional patterns clearly emerge and you finally receive the key to ultimately reprogramming your emotional patterns. And you can do this as you wish, in whatever way feels good for you. Alright, then I'd say, let's meet again right away in part 2.